Hi, I'm in Kitchener right now. It took me almost 2 hours to get here. The traffic was pretty crazy getting out of Toronto. I'm picking up a friend and then we're heading to Chicago for the weekend just to relax, explore the city, and try out some exciting food places. So, see you in Chicago or on our way. So, I've finally reached the Ambassador Bridge. Crossing the bridge right now. Once I cross the bridge, we will be in Detroit and another 4.5 hours to Chicago. So yeah, I'll see you on the other side. It's 5:45 a.m. and we are at the Navy Pier in Chicago. I guess the sun rises at 6:11. Beautiful sight. So after the Navy Pier, we parked near Millennium Park, and now we're at the Lakeshore Drive. As you can see, that's the lake behind me, and we'll be going to the lakeshore. Just sit there for a while and then go grab coffee. We're heading towards Chicago Gate, where there's the famous bean, the cloud, more famously known as the Chicago bean. It's the sun rising over the lake. And we should be at the bean in 2 minutes. Hopefully. Chicago is really famous for its architecture, its parks, green areas, and the bean. Can you spot it? Yeah, it's right there. I guess I got here in perfect time. It's 6:40 in the morning. There's hardly anyone here. So yeah, let's go and take a closer look at it. We will go and walk on the bean. So after checking out the bean, we're walking down Michigan Avenue to the biggest Starbucks in the world. They say it's a pretty good place to check out, so let's see. Just got done from Starbucks. The biggest Starbucks in the world. And I would 100% recommend this experience if you're in Chicago. It's a bit on the expensive side, almost like $50-$60 for 2 people, but would definitely recommend this.
About in a couple of places, but this is about a 1.5 mile long walk from the lake to the confluence over on the west side.
We're heading out of Chicago. It's been a great weekend, had loads of fun. The highlights were the Starbucks, definitely the deep dish pizza. Just walking around downtown was pretty amazing. And reaching the bean so early in the morning that there was no one there was the best part. I think we got the right start doing that. Driving towards Canada, we just thought we'll just drive around Detroit for a bit and then cross the Ambassador Bridge over to Canada. Stop in Windsor for dinner, maybe early dinner, around like 5:30ish. So we're in Detroit downtown right now and just driving around. So we're in Detroit right now, and that's the GM building. The architecture is pretty impressive, as with Chicago. Chicago was way more impressive, but this used to be the car capital of the world, at least of North America. This is the GM main office. You can see it pretty well because we're just driving around. But yeah, we're on the lakeshore. There's Detroit River behind these buildings, and then it's Canada on the other side.